Hi, I'm Tom, one of the technical team here at Sevadis. Let's talk about static load management with the Sevadis MaxiCharger. Load management is a smart and reliable way to maintain consistent power to your electric vehicles without overloading the building's electrical system. In turn, this protects the grid, which is good for everyone. Static load management is a basic form of load balancing ideal for setups where the site has a fixed power capacity and no other heavy power usage. With static load management, you fix the amount of power you want to allocate to the electric vehicle points, and those charge points can never draw more than that. For example, a building has a power supply of 200 amps and you have installed 8 single-phase 32 amp EV chargers. If you set the static load management to 150 amps, the charger will only ever be able to draw a maximum of 150 amps from the power supply. In turn, the building will always have a minimum of 50 amps of power. If all 8 chargers are used at the same time, the static load management system ensures the power supply to the chargers is no more than 150 amps and it shares the power between each charge point fairly. Each charger will be able to deliver 18 amps, which is equivalent to 4 kilowatts to the cars. If only 3 cars need charging, the load balancing system redistributes the power to the cars that need the charge, and in this instance, the 3 charge points in use will be able to deliver their full capacity of 32 amps, 7.4 kilowatts, and that's totaling 96 amps of the site's capacity. It is important to note that all the chargers being load managed must be on the same network. This is because the chargers communicate to each other via a primary and secondary arrangement on a connected network. Configuring static load management is quite easy. Connect all your charge points to the internet and make sure they're on the most recent version of firmware. The illuminated globe on the front of the charger indicates when the charger is connected to the internet. Connect to the primary charger via Bluetooth using the Autel config app. Once connected in the Autel config app, select load balancing, then select power sharing multiple, and then select the first charger as the primary charger. Once set as a primary charger, you will need to add your other chargers as secondary chargers. If the primary charger is unable to find any secondary chargers, please double check all the chargers are connected on the same network and retry. When the secondary chargers have been added, enter available kilowatt power into the power sharing group and click confirm, and then you're good to go. And that's the end of the static load management setup. If you want to know more about our dynamic load management or cloud-based load management and how to set these systems up, check out our specific videos on them. If you have any questions, get in touch with us here at Sevadis. Thanks for watching.